I'm Alexa, and I'll be walking you through how to use the Quick Note feature within Zamplo. Quick Note allows you to quickly and easily track your symptoms, thoughts, and questions throughout the day with the click of a button. This feature can be helpful to document notes from an appointment, jot down questions from your doctor, journal your thoughts or experiences as they arise, or to reflect on your day. They can also be used to instantly upload an attachment you have, such as a new rash you notice or a document you get from the doctor. To begin, open the Zamplo app. From the dashboard, navigate towards the bottom of the screen and click on the orange Add button. Then click on Quick Note. Here you can add in your note. Start by giving your note a name. Next, enter your note with relevant details you want to include. If you want to add an attachment, click on the Attachment button. Here you can take a photo or upload PDF files, reports, or referrals. Then click on Save to save your Quick Note as an entry. And that's it! You now know how to use Quick Note.